Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a glorious, restful night's sleep? These beautiful, flowy pants from Piper and Mint are going to help. These pants are made with a mint-infused fabric, keeping you cool and refreshed. They are super flowy, helping you to feel like you can move freely in bed or if you're just lounging around the house. I love that they were designed especially for night sweats, which for many of us is such a real problem. If you want to level up your sleep game, you definitely need these pants. They have a drawstring waist, making them adjustable and really comfy. I opted for the medium, and normally I am a small medium. They definitely run in the middle range, so keep that in mind when you're ordering them. But I will say these pants are so comfy. When I'm laying in bed and moving around, they constantly feel like they're cool. For many of us, we know that night sweats can be a real problem, so I definitely will take all the help that I can get. I'm super pleased with these pants, and these definitely do help you feel a lot cooler. They're also so comfortable and soft. It really makes you feel special when you wear clothes that are super soft and comfy, and you will feel special in these as well. But that's just my point of view.